I'm going to be doing a series of videos where I go through the various premium kits that I've received over the month, which will include things like the Premium Bandai and the Gundam base kits. There may be other ones thrown in depending upon who manufactured them and such like that. Since I already have quite a collection of premium kits, I'm going to do a short 4-video series where I go through those kits by grade. This is the second of that short series, and this will include the real grade kits. This here is an expansion set for the RG God Gundam. This is a Premium Bandai, just like most of the kits that I'll be showing are Premium Bandai. This here is the 00 Quanta Full Saber. And we've also got the Telegeese 2. And the Telegeese 3. The original Telegeese is part of the standard real grade line. Here is a Gundam base premium. This is the Freedom Gundam Ver GCP, and this was done in collaboration with the life-size Freedom Gundam being erected. We also got the Astray blue frame. The Astray gold frame. And the Astray gold frame Amatsu Hana. The Amatsu Mina is part of the standard real grade line. You might be able to tell that I really do like the Seed suits. I think they have a really cool aesthetic, and I don't know, there's something about them, so I tend to get a lot of Seed premiums. So they did a line of the Seed armors, the Gundams from Seed, in deactivated mode. In other words, that's when you first see them coming out of the ship before they turn into the various colors. They're just kind of a matte gray, or gray tone at least. So we got here the Strike Freedom, the Justice, and the Destiny. There are, I believe, 2 other ones that I have not gotten yet. So I'll be looking out for those and hopefully be able to show those in a different video at a later date. Now I've also got this, which is a Side F premium, which is basically it's the FF version of the new Gundam. Side F is just a sideline for Gundam base. That it's the same. You know, Gundam base is what produces them, but some of them get the Side F label instead. But this is a relatively new one. They're also doing a Sazaby version to go with this one. Another mobile suit that I really like is the Zaku's. So these next premium RGs are going to be Zaku related. Most of them are different designs or customs of the Zaku 2. So this here is the Zaku mine layer. We have the Team Monster custom. The Robert Gillum's custom. And finally, the Shin Matsunaga's Zaku 2. Now I do realize that all these are based on the real grade Zaku, which was one of the earlier ones, which is using I believe the Joint System 2. So I do understand that these tend to like to come apart, but I don't intend to play with them. I intend to build them and just to put them on a shelf and display them. There is also a Johnny Ridden custom, but that's part of the standard line of real grades, not part of the premium offerings. So that does it for the real grade premiums that I have. And so I will see you at the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please do give it a thumbs up. That really does help out the channel. And if you would like to see more like this, please go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell. If you do have some time, I would really appreciate it if you could watch one of the videos that are popping up around my head.